Hello, today I will presentation my analysis about digital logic and digital system. We start from what about digital logic and digital system. Number one, digital logic is the underlying logic system that drives electronic circuit board design and manipulation of binary values to printed circuit board technology that use logic circuit and gates to build implementation or computer operation. Number two, digital system is an electronic system in which each constitution circuit carries out discrete signal processing. A system whose function is to measure a fixed or irregular value in discrete form and the form of digits or number, for example, integers and fractions, and consists of several digital logic circuits, electronic components, and logic gate elements for the purpose of transferring power or energy. Digital logic is the basic logic that drives the design of electronic circuit board and the manipulation of binary values to print circuit board technology that use circuit and logic gates to structure the execution of computer operations. The type digital logic is this type of digital logic is defined as a circuit whose voltages are assumed to have a finite number of different values. Types of digital logic circuit are combinational logic circuit and sequential logic circuit. This is the basic circuit used in most digital electronic devices such as computer. Number one, combination digital logic circuit essentially consists of digital logic gates such as AND gates, OR gates, NOT gates, and universal gates. AND gates and NOR gates is the universal gates. Okay. All these gates are combined together to form complex switching circuit. Logic gates serve as the building blocks of combinational logic circuits. In combinational logic circuit, the output at any given time depends solely on the input at the particular moment, and this circuit do not process any memory data. Encoders and decoders are examples of combinational circuit. A decoder transforms binary coded data at this input into multiple different output fed. Combination circuits are employed in microprocessor. Sorry, combinational circuits are employed in microprocessor and microcontroller for designing computer hardware and software components. Traditional digital logic circuits are classified into three main categories: arithmetic or logic function, data transmission, and code converter. This is example digital logic. This is an input A and B into gates logic. This is will be this output. All input A and B to and into sensing for pressure into gates again and this output. All this structure combination logic circuit with this. arithmetics and logical function, data transmission, code converter, and this output is either separator, converter, validation. From data transmission is multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoders, decoders, and this from code converter is that it's binary BCD sequencing. Okay, next number two, sequential digital logic circuit operate in such a way that the output of the logic device depends not only on the current input of the device, but also on fast input. In other words, the output of a sequential logic circuit relies on both the current input and the current state of the circuit. Sequential circuit incorporate memory device to store fast output. In fact, sequential digital logic circuit are nothing more than combination circuit with memory. Digital logic circuit is designed using finite state machine. Example of sequential logic circuit include counter, flip-flops built using digital logic gates and memory. Next, this is example of combinational logic circuit. This is input and this is combinational logic circuit into memory and go back to combinational logic circuit and here output. This is uh, example of structure architect or architecture of combinational logic circuit. Okay, next. This is functional digital logic. The primary function of digital logic is to facilitate computation, robotics, and other electronics applications. Okay, and here digital system. A digital system is an electronic system where each of its constitution circuit process. Okay, sorry. Okay, next digital system. What is digital system? A digital system is an electronic system of this consequence circuit process discrete signal functioning to measure a value that is either fixed or irregular in discrete forms such as digits or number. Examples include integers and factories, and it comprises several digital or logic circuit, electronic components, and logic gate elements for the purpose of energy or power switching. The type of digital system is some types of important characteristics of digital system. They are as follows. Number one, data is represented in digital system as binary variable vectors. Two, digital system can provide dynamic range, limited only by the number of bits used to represent a variable. Number three, digital systems are less susceptible to error compared to analog systems. Number four, data representation in digital system is suitable for error detections and corrections. Number five, digital systems are designed hierarchical using usable modules. The functional digital system is the primary function of digital system is designed to store, process, and communicate information in digital form. And next, conclusion and recommendation. So, The conclusion is that the advance of time and technology things relates to technology, especially computer, the internet, and information about digital logic and digital system have become common and widely used for operational data and informational needs. Therefore, it is essential to understand and comprehend what digital logic and digital system are. And recommendation is we should study and understand information technology to the best of our ability and use it responsible, avoiding any misuse. Okay, thank you.